I just got back from yoga. I just wanted to quickly chat to you about why we made this 7-piece full face bundle. So first things first, the Loves You Back 3-in-1 powder foundation with the iconic flat blending brush. Also in the kit is the Soft Complexion Pressed Powder Foundation and the Mini Perfector brush. Absolutely amazing for targeted coverage and color.
Very nice.
Bronzer and a round brush. That's the third brush in this kit, and bronzer is incredible for giving you that dimension back to your face. Same brush, round brush, and a blush in the kit. Same blush, same Mini Perfector brush. All with just the full face bundle. 7 products in this one kit, and you're ready for your day in literally 4 minutes. Loves You Back 3-in-1 powder foundation, Soft Complexion, the iconic flat blending brush, the Mini Perfector brush, 1 bronzer and 1 blush, and the round brush. 7 products makes a full face. Save $49. It's such a good deal.